Hello students, in this video we shall continue the story Harry Potter written by William Douglas. अब तक हमने देखा है कि जो इंसिडेंट्स हैं पोएट की लाइफ राइटर की लाइफ में बने हैं उनके बारे में बात की और उनकी जो फियर था वाटर का वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है। इसके साथ वो जो ट्रिप्स होती हैं फिशिंग के लिए या फिर बोटिंग करने जाते हैं तो वो सब अवॉइड करते हैं और वो सब इंजॉय नहीं कर पाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ फियर ऑफ वाटर। And now in this next para of the story, I used every way I could to overcome this fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. I went to the pool and practiced 5 days a week. On our each day, the instructor put a belt around me. A rope attached to the belt went through a pulley that should run on an overhead cable. He held on to the end of the rope and we went back and forth across the pool, hours after hour, day after day, week after week. On each trip across the pool, a bit of the panic seized me. Each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope and I went under. Some of the old terror returned and my legs broke. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. Then he taught me to put my face under water and exhale and to raise my nose and inhale. I repeated the exercise hundreds of times. Bit by bit I shed part of the panic and seized me when my hand went underwater. Next he held me at the side of the pool and held me in with my leg for weeks. I did just that. At first my legs refused to work, but they gradually relaxed and finally I could command them. Piece by piece he built a swimmer, and when he had perfected each piece, he put them together into an intricate wall. In April he said, "Now you can swim. Drive off and swim the length of the pool." Great stroke. I did. The instructor was finished. But I was not finished. I still wondered if I would be terror strict when I was alone in the pool. I tried it. I swam the length up and down teeny vestiges of the old terror would return. But now I could frown and say that terror tried to scare me. Well, here's to you. Look, and off I had to go for another length of the pool. Now in this para of the story, writer said that he had an instructor who used to various techniques to teach his swimming, and it was after a couple of months that the author could finally swim, but the fear from the incident came back to him. He wanted to make sure that all of the terror had left him, for which he went to various dives and swam across them until he had defeated all of it. So here is trying to overcome his fear of water, and in this para he want to say that his interest जो उन्होंने इंस्ट्रक्टर हायर किया था उन्होंने उसे कैसे सिखाई थी वो डे बाय डे उसे 5 दिनों में या फिर पूरे वीक में उन्हें 1 या 2 आवर्स जो है वो प्रैक्टिस करवाते थे स्विमिंग की, और आफ्टर अ मंथ ही उन्हें जो है थोड़े मंथ बाद उन्हें स्विमिंग आ गई थी। और फिर उनके अंदर वो फियर था पर वो उन्हें ओवरकम करने की पूरी ट्राई करते थे और उन्होंने वो बहुत सारे ट्राई किया और वो कहते थे कि अब ट्राई में स्केयर नहीं, वो अपने फियर से ये कहते थे कि अब तुम ट्राई करो, मैं स्केयर नहीं होगा, मैं डरूंगा नहीं, मैं बस जो है अपनी स्ट्रेंथ है वो पूरी तरह से गेन करते थे, मेंटेन करते थे और भी वो स्विम करते थे। दिस वेंट टू अंटिल जुलाई बट आई वाज स्टिल नॉट सेटिस्फाइड। वो जुलाई तक ये सब करते हैं पर वो अभी तक सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है। went towards in the new Hampshire drive of the top of the tribes is Iceland and swam 2 miles across the lake and the swam at Iceland. I swam the gravel breaststroke, side stroke, and the backstroke. It's a type of the swimming. Only one did the terror return when in the middle of the lake, I put my face under the swam, nothing but a bottomless water. The old sensation returned beneath. I laughed and said, "Well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me?" I felt and I said. So finally he is overcome and he had overcome his fear of water and he had tried to swim. Yes, I had resumed downs. At my first opportunity, I had west went the tiltons of the Teton on the corner meadows of the corner Creek Trail of the Mage Glacier and camped in the high meadow by the side of Farm Lake. The next morning I dived into the lake and swam across to the other shore and back just as a Don Corporon used to do. I shouted with joy and believed till that spark returned the echo. I had conveyed my fear of water. The experience had a deep meaning for me, as only those who have most terror and conquer it can the fear of death. As Riddler knew when he said, "All we have to fear is fear itself." Now is the main theme and main point of our story. All we have to fear is fear itself. Because I had experienced both the sensation of dying and the terror that fear of it can produce, the will to live somehow bravely, intensely. At last I felt realized free to walk the trails and climb the peaks and the brush aside the fear. So finally our writer has overcome his fear and here he says that this experience taught him that the death is a being at the peace and that the fear of a death said all is a terrorizing. As a Roosevelt said when he said all we have to fear is fear itself. He desired to let life flow instantly as he had overcome his fear. Now in short, what we learn in this story. So in the author's autobiography of Man and Mountain, in this piece of tells about his fear of water and how to conquer it by determination and willpower. As a child, when he was 3 or 4 years old, he would go to the beach with his father, and in the California, he would get scored by the might of the huge waves which swept over him, and that is the intent of permanent fear in his subconscious mind. A few years later, in his eagerness to learn swimming, he joined a swimming pool where an incident further increased his fear and terror. He was pushed into the pool by another boy and experienced death closely. Many years after that incident, he stayed away from water, but the desire to go fishing and swimming in nature was strong enough to motivate him to overcome his fear. He learned swimming with the help of an instructor who ensured that the author knew swimming well enough to be able to swim in the huge lakes and cascades also. Still, when the author could swim, the fear from his childhood experience abundance in his subconscious mind would creep him over and over again. The wanted wanted to conquer that fear, he faced its secretly, thinking that now as he knew how to swim, what harm could it do to him? He challenged his fear in the face of it, and finally it would vanish. It was the baseless fear instilled in his subconscious mind. This experience was valuable for him. He had experienced terror that overcome it and finally conquered it, the fear. He realized that death is a peaceful and it is the fear of death is a terrorizing his will to live life came intently as he had overcome his fear. So in this story we will know how there is a many fears in our hearts also. We have to face them, and we also have to overcome our fears. So main theme of this story is the overcome your fear. सो हमारा जो स्टोरी है यहाँ पे खत्म होती है। चैप्टर है वो थॉट वो यहाँ पे होता है, वो उसका एंड होता है। और आज इसके जो सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो अपने टेबुल में आप लिखोगे, और जो हार्ड वर्ड है आपको वो भी लिखने हैं, और जिसके सारे जो मैंने आपको बताइए क्वेश्चन उसको आपको रिकॉल करना है। सो तब तक